This audio recording is part of the podcast series on my YouTube channel called Anchors in Life, and I'd like to talk about sounds. So, sounds are always with us, they are always around and about. And this doesn't require that you have perfect hearing. We can mostly hear the rustle of our clothes against our skin, or maybe the electronic gadgets that we have in our kitchen. And further out, perhaps we can hear road traffic, bird song, the breeze in the trees, people talking. And then further away, perhaps the cry of different birds, etc., etc. So sounds are always around and about us. And as something that's always there in our reality, they can be an anchor. So in this series, we've been talking about the body as an anchor, the belly, the lower belly as an anchor, somewhere that you come back to when you're confused or overwhelmed or stressed to bring you to center quickly, somewhere that you know you can get back to. And so really this series is a self-inquiry. What's my best anchor when I really need it? And an invitation to practice getting to your anchor, perhaps on a daily basis for 5 or 10 minutes. So you have it there when you need it. If the breath or the belly is not proving a good anchor for you, you might find something in life then is better. And so the invitation for this short practice is just to sit quietly anywhere. Make yourself comfortable and perhaps close your eyes or lower your eyelids. And to simply listen to the sounds that are around and about. These sounds are present now. And so by listening to them, we also bring ourselves present now. If it's easier for us, we could listen to the nearby sounds first. And then a little further out. Further out still. Until the question becomes, what's the furthest sound that I can hear? And then perhaps listening to all sounds near and far. And as we do this, there may be a tendency to pull away from sounds that we class as unpleasant and go towards those that are pleasant. And that's what our mind does, and a very valuable tool it is too. However, for this practice, because we need sounds as anchor, and we can't always in life, when we need our anchors, rush to a park or somewhere beautiful, then perhaps it's best to make friends with the sounds that we class as unpleasant and use them as anchors too. So if there's a car engine running, If we just listen to that sound as a vibration, something that's happening in our present moment, we're just using it to bring us present, then we practice also not setting up a resistance to what is. We simply listen to the noise. And so for a few moments, listening to sounds and a little gentle self-inquiry as to whether this would be a good anchor for you in life. And if you have found this helpful, and I hope that you have, then usually 5 or 10 minutes minimum per day is a good way to ensure that you can get back to your anchors quickly when you need them. And so I thank you for listening and wish you the best of days.